Welcome to our YouTube channel Odisha Railway Study Point. Let's start the previous year official question paper of RRB and TPC. Which of these alternatives exposes the phenomenon of light dispersion due to the dust and axle of the airs? Your right answer is Tyndall effect. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following committee is called as an ongoing economy committee? Your right answer is estimate committee. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following word is related to badminton sports? Your right answer is drop. Option C is your correct answer. Who can remove the president and the members of the state human right commission? Your right answer is president. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following dynasties introduced the Vaisarian style temple architecture? Your right answer is Chalukya. Option B is your correct answer. Atomic number is the total number of dash at the atomic center. Your right answer is protons. Option B is your correct answer. When a metal can be made by its thin letters, it can be said to be dash. Your right answer is enlargement. Option C is your correct answer. According to Newton's second dynamic rule, the force acting on an object is removed from the product dash and dash. Your right answer is material and acceleration. Option C is your correct answer. Cereal deposits are mainly planted in dash. Your right answer is saffron. Option C is your correct answer. In which Indian state is the Javanese and Sorbarayan hill situated? Your right answer is Tamil Nadu. Option C is your correct answer. Its capital Chennai. The sound quality is determined by its dash. Your right answer is frequency. Option C is your correct answer. Who was the founder of the Palo Empire? Your right answer is Gopala. Option D is your correct answer. In relation to the trophy, what is the full form of the world MVP? Your right answer is most valuable player. Option C is your correct answer. What is the Milind Panaha text associated with? Your right answer is Buddhism. Option A is your correct answer. Who among these found the new siege of India? Your right answer is Vasco da Gama. Option C is your correct answer. The play area of the handball game is called dash. Your right answer is court. Option C is your correct answer. Which of these period is celebrated by Pasupati? Your right answer is Harappan culture. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following is a ventilated illness? Your right answer is gobar. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following is star closest to you or Tara? Your right answer is Proxima Centauri. Option D is your correct answer. The overuse of public assessed source is called dash. Your right answer is tragedy of public trades. Option B is your correct answer. Who is the convener of the section while absent as the speaker to conduct a joint sessions of the parliament? Your right answer is Lok Sabha deputy chairman. Option A is your correct answer. Who was the first Indian to win gold medal in Paralympics? Your right answer is Mariappan Tangweli. Option B is your correct answer. In the division of the division, a parent cell is divided into dash for the preparation of mass cells. Your right answer is too similar. Option C is your correct answer. Who is the author of the Natya Shastra? Your right answer is Bharat Muni. Option D is your correct answer. Which interstate council comes under the ministry? Your right answer is Home Ministry. Option B is your correct answer. Thalghat connect Mumbai and dash. Your right answer is Nasik. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following is not associated with the Cricket World Cup? Your right answer is Kalinga Cup. Option B is your correct answer. Which sex genes are present in men? Your right answer is XY. Option C is your correct answer. What type of federal practice is used in India, Belgium and Spain? Your right answer is federally administered method. Option C is your correct answer. Which of the following city was set up in Patliputra? Your right answer is unlike. Option B is your correct answer. Under which article does the contingency funding of India come? Your right answer is Article 267. Option A is your correct answer. Which of these islands is Niger and Zimbabwe? Your right answer is Africa. Option D is your correct answer. The President of the State Human Rights Commission is dash. Your right answer is retired Chief Justice of High Court. Option B is your correct answer. Who among the following was the last Mauryan king? Your right answer is Gritter. Option A is your correct answer. Which one of the following is a river monkey? Your right answer is Kolkata. Option C is your correct answer. In which of these states the mining painting is prevalent? Your right answer is Bihar. Option D is your correct answer. The sound produced by a mixture of multiple frequencies is called as. Your right answer is voice. Option A is your correct answer. Which of the following ocean is the longest coastline? Your right answer is Atlantic. Option D is your correct answer. According to 2011 census, how much is the percentage of urban population in land in India? Your right answer is 31.16%. Option A is your correct answer. Which central administrative tribunal comes under the ministry? Your right answer is Ministry of Personnel. Option D is your correct answer. Which of the following is a bogey field area? Your right answer is lowland. Option C is your correct answer. What condition does Brikshasana shows in yoga? Your right answer is tree. Option B is your correct answer. Dulu Kunitha is a famous folk music tradition in India. Your right answer is Karnataka. Option B is your correct answer. Its capital Bangalore. National Human Rights Commission established in the year dash. Your right answer is 1993. Option D is your correct answer. Who is known as the architect of Indian planning? Your right answer is P.C. Mahalanobis. Option C is your correct answer. Very few sellers. But what is the market that is too much to buy? Your right answer is minority dominance. Option A is your correct answer. Government of India buys food grains through dash. Your right answer is Indian Food Corporation. Option A is your correct answer. Mahatma Gandhi National Employment Guarantee Scheme was started in dash. Your right answer is 2005. Option D is your correct answer. In which year did Alexander invaded India? Your right answer is BC 326. Option A is your correct answer. This is your last questions of today class, question of 50. Without which bill can the government withdraw money from the collective fund of India? Your right answer is appropriation bill. Option B is your correct answer. I hope you like these sections. If you have daily hard work for your aim, you get your success in your life. Otherwise, no one can help you to reach on your goal. It is the bad truth of your life. Let's bye bye. Have a nice day. Jai Bharat, Jai Hind.